small-scale and large-scale industries. We need capital, that is money, to start an industry. If the person who is starting the industry does not have too much money or capital, that person can start a small industry. Since there is less money, that person will also have less people working in the industry. The amount of raw material that the industry will process to make finished goods will be less too. The amount of finished goods that will be produced will be less as well. So overall, these industries are small in size. Such industries are called small-scale industries. If the industry is really small and only family members are working in it, then we call it cottage industry. You can even start a cottage industry in your own home. Papad, pickles, candle making, handicrafts, etc. are examples of cotton industry. In small-scale industries, you have people other than family members working. The finished products made by the small-scale industries are sold in the local markets. Can you think of some small-scale industries? Bakeries, which bake and sell cakes, biscuits, and breads, are small-scale industries. Handmade paper factories are small-scale industries too. How can you decide whether an industry is small-scale or not? The government passed a rule in 2006. If the machines and the other things in the factory cost less than 5 crore rupees, then the industry is a small-scale industry. Interesting, isn't it? Large-scale industries require a lot of raw material, capital, that is money, labor, that is workers, and machinery. Large-scale industries are set up in very large areas and away from cities. Some examples of large-scale industries are the textile industry, which makes cloth from cotton, or the automobile industry, which makes cars, or the sugar industry, which makes sugar from sugarcane. Finished products from the large-scale industries are sold in the local market as well as to foreign countries. Industries are very good for our country. Because of industries, people get jobs. With jobs, they get money. If they get enough money, they can live a good life. Due to industries, we get a lot of good and well-made articles. Finished goods are more expensive than the raw materials. For example, cloth is more expensive than cotton. It is more expensive because a lot of work has to be done on the cotton to turn it into cloth. This extra money that you pay goes to all the people who have worked on the product. There is a separate ministry for small-scale industries. It is called the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. There is also one for large-scale industries. It is called the Department of Heavy Industries.